Hi friends, I am Pratiksha, GATE All India rank 48 and 83 in same year in two different papers. In this video I am going to tell exactly what I did in last 2 months which helped me jump my rank from 6672 to 48 and what you should do. Just to give you a brief story, I had encountered chikungunya and lost 6 months in that. After that, 2 months were really difficult for me. So I effectively was left with only 4 months and so much of weakness. I told you this just because to make you understand that if I could do with such bad health and with so much of weakness in last 2 months, you can do it too. Just believe in yourself. एंड प्लीज़ डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट द पावर ऑफ दिस 2 months. जो कह रहे हैं कि अभी तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, नाउ एवरीथिंग इज गॉन, अगर पूरा साल चला गया है, वॉट आई शुड डू नाउ. प्लीज़ डोंट fall for such trap. 2 months can really turn out to be deal breakers. They can help you move your rank for leaps and bounds. If your syllabus is not even started, you can end up going into some of the NITs. So please don't underestimate power of this 2 months. Work hard in these 2 months because let me tell you, you must have seen so many toppers who are now into IITs, ISCs, who have got great ranks. All that is possible only with hard work. तो इस 2 महीने में पूरी जान डाल दो and then let's see what happens. Something good will turn out. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. जिसने स्टार्ट किया है keep going up and जिसने नहीं किया है please start now. Now let me tell you what I exactly did. So first thing is please understand your position. Don't lie to yourself, है ना. Clearly understand the position which all subjects you have completed, which are to be completed. Let it be. अगर आपका एक भी सब्जेक्ट नहीं हुआ है it's okay. अगर आपके 5 सब्जेक्ट हुए it's still okay. बट जो भी हुआ है या जो भी नहीं हुआ है प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड योर पोजिशन. एटलीस्ट आपको 2 महीने का पाथ पता होना चाहिए और आप अभी कहाँ हो पता होना चाहिए. तो प्लीज़ बी अवेयर ऑफ what exactly you have completed till now. Second step is please don't be scared to solve questions. Solve as many questions as possible. क्योंकि exam is not testing your theory knowledge. GATE will test some part of theory, but it is majorly about solving problems. तो उससे डर के तो कुछ नहीं होगा. So you have to use your pen, you have to use paper and start solving questions. If you have not started yet, start solving PYQs of last 3-4 years. That should be enough of subjects you have completed by far. और अगर complete नहीं किए हैं तो start completing one by one and parallelly doing PYQs. You have to solve questions. Don't be scared of it. Rule number 3 is prioritizing your revision. है ना. Don't forget the subjects you have already completed. क्योंकि अभी आपके पास टाइम नहीं है कि अगर आप भूल गए you will again start preparing those subjects. So prioritize the subjects you have already completed. Prioritize revision of them. If you require, make short notes parallelly. और दिन का half an hour to 1 hour definitely आपको revision के लिए allocate करना ही है. Otherwise, the subjects you have completed will not actually give you the results you are expecting. है ना. तो prioritization of revision is must. Fourth thing is consistency. A very underrated thing, but a very important thing. You have to be consistent in the last 60 days. Consistency is very important. चाहे आप 3 घंटे पढ़ो, 4 घंटे पढ़ो या 5 घंटे पढ़ो, it's okay. You don't have to read so much कि 10 घंटा पढ़ रहे हैं. अगर आप पढ़ पा रहे हो तो great. नहीं भी पढ़ पा रहे हो because of your office, because of your college या because of any reason, it's okay. But you have to maintain consistency. रोज पढ़ना है, quality hours देना है, 3 से 4 घंटे तो पढ़ना ही है. There is no substitute to hard work. So consistency will definitely give you result in this last 2 months. Fifth is your mocks. अब आप सोच रहे होगे कि mocks attempt हम करेंगे एक syllabus complete होने के बाद. But trust me, syllabus is never going to get complete. Exam के दिन तक आपका syllabus नहीं होगा. So don't delay your mocks. Prioritize mocks as well. हफ्ते में या 2 हफ्ते में एक सब्जेक्ट वाइज मॉक्स तो दे दीजिए एंड प्लान 1 to 2 मॉक्स इन December and 3 to 4 mocks in January before your exam. But mocks से डरना नहीं. You have to give mocks because through mocks you will understand how much time you are taking, what mistakes you are doing, which subjects you are weak in, how to use the calculator, and these things will actually contribute significantly in exam. As I already said, the exam is testing you how you solve problem in the examination setup. है ना, आपको कितना आता है, आपने कितनी पढ़ाई की है, इज ऑल इररिलेवेंट इफ यू आर अनेबल टू सॉल्व एग्जामिनेशन इन दिस 3 आवर्स. तो आपको एग्जाम देने की प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी डिस्पाइट एट विच लेवल यू आर करेंटली, है ना. तो स्टार्ट अटेम्प्टिंग मॉक्स. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज practicing aptitude and PYQ. As I already covered in one of my videos, that aptitude and mathematics will contribute to almost 20 to 25 marks in GATE. And you try to understand that these are very easy marks to actually get. So if you are giving even from now 1 hour per day to aptitude and mock, your marks can shift to 20 to 25 additional marks, and that can change your rank by thousands, believe me. And giving 1 hour per day is not just to gain marks, but that will set the flow, that will set the momentum, that will reduce your fear. So please don't ignore aptitude. उसको 1 घंटा तो दिन में देना ही है. You have to contribute 1 hour per day to aptitude and maths. Despite how much you know, despite how much you don't know, अगर आप अभी से शुरू कर रहे हो, still 1 hour you have to do. If you are already pro and completed majority of syllabus, still you give 1 hour per day to aptitude and mathematics. And the last point is plan your day properly. है ना, कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आपको दिन में मैंडेटरी करनी ही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गिविंग 1 hour to revision, you have to give. Giving 1 hour to aptitude, you must give 1 hour to aptitude for sure. You have to solve at least 20 questions, which will again take 1 hour per day of PYQs. तो 1 hour, 3 hours तो आपको पढ़ना ही है. You have to try your level best to give 3 hours. More than that, you can give 2-3 hours to do additional subjects, to get grip on subjects which you are not comfortable with. तो उसको extra time आप devote कीजिएगा. In that way, you can range your study hours from 3 to 6 hours depending upon your time at hand. And who can give more time, it's good for them. Please give as much as time as possible. इस 2 महीने में आप जान लगा दीजिए, एंड बिलीव मी, यू विल मार्क माई वर्ड्स एंड रिमेंबर माई वर्ड्स इन एग्जामिनेशन हॉल की ये 2 महीने की पढ़ाई ही सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट थी. दिस 2 months हैव सिग्निफिकेंटली इम्पैक्टेड इन माई गेट स्कोर बूस्टिंग, एंड दिस विल इम्पैक्ट इन यू टू. तो अभी कॉन्फिडेंस लूज करने का टाइम नहीं है. डोंट थिंक टू मच, थिंक ऑफ 1 day एट अ टाइम, और जो होगा सो होगा. यू गिव योर बेस्ट. अगर रिजल्ट आता है तो इट्स वेरी गुड, अगर नहीं आता है स्टिल वी विल फिगर आउट समथिंग, क्योंकि आपकी प्रिपरेशन उतनी हो जाएगी. तो दिस टाइम यू कैन नॉट अफोर्ड वेस्टिंग इन थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट विल हैपन. रादर वर्क हार्ड, बी वेरी मच कंसिस्टेंट, एंड बिलीव मी, you will be able to reap fruit out of it. Okay, so please keep working hard, pushing yourself. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for such videos. See you in next video. Thank you.